This was me. When chemicals damaged my hair, I had to do the big chop and start growing my hair all over again. DIYs using natural ingredients have been a game changer for me. I use it to make my hair products like oils, hairsprays, hair moisturizers, just name it. I don't sell them, I teach you freely on this channel so you can also make some for yourself. But there are other tips and tricks you can also use to grow your hair faster if you don't have the patience to wait. And I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks in this video. Make sure you're watching to the end, do not skip any part of it, and do not forget to share this video with at least one person. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can grow your hair much faster. So don't skip any part of it. So the first way is to use natural ingredients. There are so many DIY recipes on my channel. You can check them out and use the one that you feel comfortable with. This is mint. Mint has so many benefits that can help stimulate hair growth. It is going to stimulate blood flow to your scalp to help you grow your hair much faster. It also can help prevent hair breakages. If your hair is thinning out, using ment's hairspray can help thicken up your hair. Very, very simple to prepare. You just add some hot water to some mint leaves. I love to use fresh mint leaves, but if you have the dry ones, feel free to use it. Once you add the water, set it aside until the water cools down. After that, you strain it. This DIY recipe is so simple and easy to prepare. And mint is also a natural ingredient that is super affordable and easy to find. It smells amazing. Once you have it like this, there are a few things you can add to it to even help it work much faster. I always love to add some oil to my DIY hairsprays because hairsprays are just water-based. The longer it stays in your hair, the better. And as you know, water dries so much faster. When you add oil, any carrier oil to your DIY hairsprays, it helps it to stay in your hair much longer. And feel free to add any oil of your choice. I added some olive oil, but you can add grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, just a few drops to your DIY hairsprays. You can also add vitamin E capsules. You just add 1 capsule or 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. It helps prevent hair breakages and strengthen your hair strands. Once you add it like so, your hairspray is ready. It smells amazing. Apply this on your scalp, on your hair strands, and massage it in. Do not rinse it out. These are some of the simple steps you can take to grow your hair. But you need to be patient and consistent with the use for faster results. Alright, if you want the fastest way to grow your hair, you need to be eating healthy. There are a lot of vitamins in the food that we eat that helps us grow our hair much faster. But sometimes we still lack more vitamins. Especially as women, during our menstrual cycle, we end up losing a lot of iron. You need to be replacing these vitamins in order for your hair to thrive. Even your skin, you need good vitamins. This is one of my best vitamins I've been taking. It is a multivitamin, meaning it has different vitamins that have been put together. So you don't lack any vitamins in your system. Maryruths has been a game changer. I'm going to link it below. If you check in the description box and you click on that link, you'll be able to purchase this for yourself. When you click on the link, read on the reviews. People who have already purchased this and have used it, You'll be amazed at how people are crazy about this. It is selling out really fast. So if you need this, don't wait. Make sure you get it now. I believe you can also find it in the stores. But if you want the fastest way and cheapest way to get this, get this from the description box. These vitamins can help you grow your hair thicker, fuller, and much more healthier. So if your hair is too thin, your hair is shedding a lot, your hair is breaking, give this one a try. If you don't have the patience to use the DIYs to grow your hair. I love my DIYs. Regardless of whatever I take, I still use my DIYs because it helps me maintain the health of my hair. So regardless of anything, if you have the time, don't be sleeping on these DIYs. They are natural products that can help you grow your hair. But these multivitamins is a game changer. If you also want to improve fine lines, if you have wrinkles, you want smoother skin, give this a shot. You will not regret it. All I do is I take 2 tablespoons every morning. Make sure you keep it refrigerated once you open it. It tastes amazing. It is so easy to take. One thing I've learned about this is you have to be 18 plus in age before you can take it. So don't start giving this to your kids. So if you're an adult, you can start taking this. I do take this every morning, but still do not sleep on your DIYs. These have all these vitamins, all these supplements that our body needs. They are natural and they have been proven to help you grow your hair faster. So again, I'm going to link it in the description box. You can click on it and check this out yourself. Alright, the third way you can grow your hair much faster is using natural ingredient products like Batana oil. Batana oil is all natural. It is an oil that is extracted from the fruit called Batana fruit. So it is so safe for all hair types. You can use this to grow your hair. I apply this on my scalp, on my edges, and every part of my hair. You can use this as your hair moisturizer. Apply it whenever your hair feels dry. Even if you're with your hair braided, you can still apply this on your edges and on your scalp. You can also use this as your hot oil treatment to treat your hair during your wash days. It has endless uses. It is only one ingredient. So whenever you purchase it, make sure you check on the ingredient. It is all natural, organic, just the Batana oil. If you want to purchase this very one, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Click on it and get it now. It is selling out really fast. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.